Norton Motorcycles. A British marque. A global brand. A passionate team. We've always had a winning pedigree. Rem Fowler lit the match in 1907, and later came Jeff Duke on the famous Featherbed. We're there when epic battles are won, records are broken, and history is made. Today is no different, but now we've transformed the way we work, building the most advanced facility in our 123-year history. Our lab is one of the best of its kind. We've invested in state-of-the-art technology that guarantees laser-sharp accuracy and exceptional quality. With a philosophy that integrates design with engineering, we put creativity and originality at the forefront, expertly crafting motorcycles that combine dramatic design, breathtaking sophistication, and unmatched functionality, whilst preserving the characteristics that are distinctively Norton. From strong lines that create sleek silhouettes, to the precision ground parts marked with our name and every unique and visible weld. Because those who work at Norton are passionate about what they do. We have an indomitable spirit. We're committed to our brand vision, and we're united by a desire to build truly exceptional motorcycles. Norton is unafraid to challenge the status quo, innovating for the future of mobility while staying true to our British heritage, to deliver unique and inspiring riding experiences.